Hey guys, welcome back to Mary's Tech YouTube channel. Someone asked me a question right here. Let me show you. This person was asking that this is the question I'm talking about, and this is the answer I'm going to be answering you. This is the question. Mr. John Praise asked me a question that how do I test the SNI to see whether it's working, because we find numerous SNI and get confused at the same point. So, madam, you are at the right place. Let me take you through the whole process. So, at this juncture, we are going to test the SNI. I'm going to first go through the process of finding an SNI, and then I will take you through the process of testing the SNI. So I request you guys not to skip this video, because I have made it more easy. I've created some timestamps. If you know how to find an SNI, you can just go write down the description and get the timestamp of how to check. But you can, if you're not on a hurry, you can just wait for the video. I'll be directing you guys. Just help me one thing. Help me and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and help me share this video and like this video. Just help me and like the video. So I set up my tutorial. So I'm going to start by finding an SNI. So we are going to come right here where you have the Google Chrome. This is what you're going to be doing. Just follow up. So in the Google Chrome, you're going to come right here where you search from, and then we search SNI host.com. On either your laptop, you can use Microsoft Edge. If you have an iPhone, you can use Safari. If you have some Android older devices, you can be using Opera Mini. If you have a small button phone, just go to the Palm chart. Is it? Maybe. Let us go. Help me guys and like this video. Help me guys and share this video. Help me and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you get any problem, we have a team down there in the comment section. We have Tracy, who was once a worker in Airtel Uganda. We have Michael, who was once a worker in Apple. They're there down in the comment section replying to any types of questions you are asking. I'm Miles. I'm the one behind your video. I'm the one directing you. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of finding an SNI. We are now at this website. This is the website we are at. It is snihost.com. You can check the link in the description. I'll put it, and then you will be just clicking on that link. So we're going to go right here on our mobile device, and we find, keep on closing these ones. Let me close. You're going to come right here at this. You want to generate a custom SNI or SSL. So I'm going to clicking here to open the SNI generator. That is an AD. You're going to go back and then re-click until you see such a type of page. Make sure the API is online. If it isn't online, you can just refresh the data. So I'm going to check an SNI I'm going to try typing in a country right here where we type in. And I'm going to type in a country such as, let me type in a country such as India. Or let me use Zimbabwe. Or I use Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania. You're free to type in any country. Let me choose Zimbabwe. And you click on that country, and it will load the SNIs in that country. So you're going to come here and copy the SNI. So after copying the SNI, make sure to copy it and make sure to copy the SNI until you see such a tick. So after copying the SNI, this is what you're going to be doing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this show. Just help me and like, just help me and subscribe. If you get any problem, rush to the comment section. We have a team including me. I'll be replying to any forms of questions. Even if you want to abuse us, as some people do, just go to the comment section, abuse, because we are sharing these services for free. Some people abuse us because they are gaining some money in just selling them, but for us we share them for free. That's why some people abuse us and some appreciate us. So I'm done with generating the SNI. Now I'm going to the process of checking. Now we set up the process of checking. So I'm going to come Google Chrome, where we search from, and put in host checker. I'm going to put this link in the description.net, so that if you want it, you can just go to the description and check out this link. Just click on that link, hostchecker.net, in the description. It will redirect you to this page. After reaching this page and you copied the SNI, just go right here where we search from, where we have 8.8.8 or google.com right here, and then paste in that SNI. And then after pasting in it, you can check for its ping, you can check up for the DNS lookup, you can trace route it, you can check who is, but for us we're checking the custom SNI, whether it's active, whether it's working. But that means we're going to be using the SSL check. Please help me and like this video. Please help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you get any problem, just go to down the comment section and comment. I told you we have Tracy, we have Mike, we have Myros. They're the ones that are running this YouTube channel, and we are a team of we are experts. We know that, just know that we know what we know, and we know we can share it. We can share the information at a free cost. So you're going to come here where we have the SSL check, and then wait for this one. We're going to see the SSL certificate. If you see that the SSL certificate is it is valid, like here, sorry, if you see that it is valid, let me show you. This is what we are talking about. Sorry, it must be, I want a tick, it must be valid, and then the subject, and look at just the time remaining right here. It will give you a clue whether it's working or no. If the time remaining is 0, like 0, that means that host is not working. So I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe.